Stop! If you're paying for multiple AI tools right now, you're wasting money. Think about it. One tool for writing, another for images, another for videos, different logins, different subscriptions, and somehow it still feels messy. And the worst part? You're constantly switching tabs, copy-pasting between tools, losing your workflow every single time. But what if you could access 200 plus AI models for writing, images, and videos, all in one place? Meet WritingMate, a single workspace where you can create everything without juggling tools or subscriptions. Here's how it works. You open one dashboard, start writing your content, then instantly generate images, create videos, refine your text without leaving the page. And here's the crazy part. You get access to models from OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, and many more. Over 200 models in total. If you've ever paid for multiple AI subscriptions, felt overwhelmed by too many tools, lost time switching between platforms, this fixes all of it. You can literally write a blog, turn it into images, and then convert it into a video, all inside the same workflow. And it gets even better. You can compare outputs from different AI models side by side, so you always pick the best result. Plus, everything stays organized in projects. Your prompts, files, and content all in one place. No chaos, no lost work. But here's the truth. Most people will keep stacking subscriptions and keep overpaying every month. Remember what I said at the start? You're wasting money on multiple tools. This is how you fix it. If you want access to 200 plus AI models in one place, check the link in the description and try WritingMate.